wear glasses, you don't have any problem.
Don't want nobody else around. When I'm with you, baby, nothing really matters. So like think about, baby, there's no doubt. Spending hours to the end.
Hey gorgeous, welcome back. Hope you guys are doing great. So today is a wig review. Yes, so the wig we'll be reviewing today is from Luvme Hair. Yeah, is in this pack here. So before I open it for you guys, before I unbox it, let me tell you guys the details of this wig. And also gorgeous, in case if you're interested in getting this wig, all information will be on the description box as usual. You guys know how we rock. Alright guys, the wig is AiryFit Scalp Care Wig, silky straight middle part, glueless 5x5 closure, pre-cut lace long wig. With all the introduction being done about this wig, let's get into business. That is revealing the wig. They added a beauty blender, 2-piece wig cap, a clip. There is a card here that says thank you. Let's read. We know switching it up is everything. Embrace your unique beauty. This is a bonnet, okay, that came with it too. And voila, you can see that. And the part is really long. It's 5x5 and it's pre-cut. You can see the lace. And I like the way they cut this lace. Just look at the twisting of this lace. So since it is ready to wear, you just pop this on. You don't need to do anything unless if you want to be extra. Okay, you can see the hairline, so beautiful. And they cut the lace already, pre-cut lace. And you see, this is the length. It's so soft. Let me see if there is shading. I can't find any, but I don't know if he's going to shade later, but for now there is none. There is none for now. Okay guys, this is it on my hand. You guys can see. Okay, see the knot is bleached, inbuilt adjustable strap and combs. You can see that the lace is extra thin, really thin. Is extra thin and ultra breathable cap. Okay, that's the lace they use for this wig. When you wear it, it is breathable. You will not sweat. It will protect your hair. That is one thing I like about this lace. You see the comparison I did. You can see my finger through the one of a Luvme Hair, and the other one you cannot see my hand through it. And you can see that the one of Luvme Hair is really transparent. When you see it, is so transparent that you can even see my hand. When I showed you guys the other one, you cannot see my hand through the other one. That's to tell you the difference, the importance of this lace. It is very different and it is breathable, and the lace is extremely thin. That is one positive side of this, the lace they use on the wig. You guys can see, and the lace is 5x5, came pre-cut. You can see it. Yeah guys, since it is glueless, we're just going to pop this on. First of all, just like take this to the last level. There is something very important that I want to show you guys with this wig that I have never, mark my word, I have never seen it in any wig. I have reviewed thousands of wigs. You guys know, thousands of wigs. I have never seen this. Let me show you guys. Just hold on. That is why I love this wig. You guys know sometimes when you wear wig, you battle for the ear side, because there's one thing here. Sometimes it will be on your ear. It will be paining you, especially when you go out. It will pain you. Sometimes you will shook your hand. You want to like shift it. That thing. is so disgusting. It's something that I don't like, really. If you're like me, everybody, I think it happens to everybody. So this week they design it in the way that you don't have that problem, that ear whatever. Just hold on, don't be in a hurry. I will show you that ear pain. Let me show you guys. See it. You see the C curve here. You see the way they designed this place here. Follow your ear. See my ear. I did not do anything. You guys remember that this is glueless, okay? I did not glue it down. You can even see it here as I raise it up now. You can see the curve of the ear. You guys can see it. They just curved it. It kind of is a C curve. You can see it, so that it don't affect your ear. So even if you want to pack your hair or you want to make it sideways, you don't have any problem battling with this thing here that they did already. You guys see it is here. It just curve your ear like this. It is designed to prevent any rubbing or discomfort around the ear. It accommodates all ear shapes, then and even work well with glasses. If you wear glasses, you don't have problem. You know where let me bring my glasses. Okay guys, I have my glasses here. Okay, you know sometimes when you want to wear glasses, because of this shape here, you find it difficult to wear your glasses. You'll be struggling to say, where am I going to keep it? How am I going to? Let me wear my glasses for you guys to see. Very easy. You see that? It's so easy. See how it just went in without me struggling. You see this? You see the way this thing just went in without me struggling. It positioned it well. That is what I am talking about. If you wear glasses, you don't have any problem because of this that is designed here. The other thing I appreciate about this wig is the breathable net. The breathable net, guys, is something that I really appreciate. This wig, he really sat down to think of so many problems, and those of us that are wearing wig, especially everybody wear wig now. Okay, let me not just say blacks, but everybody wear wigs. Okay, the problem that we face is heat, because when you wear your wig, the heat, if the lace is not breathable, you guys understand what I'm saying now. You must have experienced this uncountable times. The heat, and that heat will make your hair, it will even affect your natural hair, that heat, and it will make your hair smell. Not only that, it will make your hair inch you. You will see some people in public, they are trying to dip their hand to scratch their head. Is because that net is not breathable. Air is not passing through. That is why you see that. It happens to me several times. They designed this net breathable. You can see my fingers. You understand? Through it, very, very light. The lace is so thin and transparent. They really sat down to think of how to solve this problem that so many people face, so many people that wear wigs. This problem they face every day. If you wear wig, you understand, you know what I'm talking about. So I really like it so much. So guys, that is it. Okay, I just say I should emphasize on that for you guys, in case if you don't know. And this hair is very, 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 very soft. It's really beautiful. Look at how it just transformed. But you can see that the front is a little bit white. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to like add a bronzer to it. Just that. You see that as I add my bronzer, it does the work for me. All those parts that are white, like this part, I'm still going to add to it.
Hold on, let me take my time.
So guys, that is it for this video. I'm going to leave the link to this unit on the description box. If you're interested, check it out. Okay, you're not going to regret. I really love it. Easy to install. You just pop it on. I did not apply any cream, but see the shine of the hair is insane. Okay guys, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.